Good day everyone, welcome to the channel. So let us talk about a topic about how to send money from PayPal to WorldRemit. So as of 2025, PayPal does not offer a direct option to send money to WorldRemit. However, you can still transfer funds from your PayPal account to WorldRemit by following these steps. So firstly, step number 1, link a common bank account or debit card. Ensure your bank account or debit card is linked to your PayPal account. The same bank account or debit card should also be linked to your WorldRemit account. After that, guys, you can initiate the transfer, log in to your PayPal account and transfer the desired amount to your linked bank account. Transfers may take 1 to 3 business days, keep that in mind. And after that, you can send money via WorldRemit. Access your WorldRemit account through their website or mobile app. Set up the transfer, choose the destination country, enter the recipient's details, and specify the amount to send. Select your bank account or debit card, the one you transferred funds to from PayPal, as the payment method. Confirm and send. Also, a alternative, you can use Zoom. I suppose that's what it's pronounced as. I suppose that's how you pronounce that. So PayPal actually owns Zoom, a money transfer service that allows you to send funds directly from your PayPal account to recipients in over 160 countries. Zoom, it starts with X by the way, offers various delivery options including bank deposits, cash pickups, and mobile wallet transfers. So you can use that as well. So that's pretty much it. If you need assistance with a specific country or have further questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. Other than that, thanks for watching the video. See you next time.